Maybe.
Alright guys, welcome back or back to Erin's channel. We're about to teach you the get up or get down tutorial to get up or get down. Okay, we got an actual speaker this time. We don't have to rely on the camera.
We got a special guest. Her name's Alicia, Bovisha, Banana Fan, Bovisha,
Bebop,
Bovisha.
Anyway, this is how we do it. And
this is the get up. Shh, just be quiet. This is professional.
If you want to see the real video, watch
go on
right
my
here.
Instagram. Oh wait, what?
It's linked right here.
All right, so basically this is what's gonna happen. Me and Caitlin have already done this video 10 million times, and it's gonna get demonetized now. But I don't care. It's a drug right now, and we're gonna teach Alicia how to do the dance.
Grab your loved
This dance
ones.
took me and Caitlin 3 days.
Or grab your love
to
partner.
perfect.
If you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. Come do the two-step. Grab a sweetheart and stand up. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back, put your hips in it. Let's have some fun.
So this dance is all over TikTok right now. So being the older but trying to stay young girls that we are.
Anyone over the age of 24? Because I'm only 24.
Anyone over the age of 24, sit the down. Girl, you're 24, get up! Come on, it's our time to shine! Let's get on into it. Okay, this is the beginning. So, this is the hardest part. It's your time to shine. Put your arms up like this, like a scarecrow. That's not the hard part. The next hard part is the feet part. So if you're new to this, practice it as like your Dorothy, and you're trying to make the cows come out.
Out, and then you go in.
Yeah. So out,
Heels together, and then out,
in,
and then we're gonna go
And
at it 3 times.
Yeah.
So out, in, out.
So it's 1, 2, 3, back 2, 3.
We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6. Gonna do the is your 7A. So it's like something, but this favorite part, my time shine. 7A is gonna do the, and we just kind of like
hit on
loosen
2.
up, because that's what Benny Blanco wants you to do. He just wants you to loosen up and have fun. Sorted. By the way, this is our version. Like, we've watched a million versions and we decided to come up with our own best version.
We're gonna hit
2, and then you're gonna jump back on the opposite foot.
step,
But don't make it like that weird. Like, do it smoothly and coolly.
I'm so cool.
Like, 2 step. Like, you're just gonna come here like you're ready to be a little bit gangster. You're like, wait, where are my hands at? Oh wait, they're about to get a little bit gangster. Throw it. 2 step. Boom. Perfect. It's like, show the camera. So like, when you're like this, you're gonna do cow, and then whip this leg around kind of sideways.
boy.
Because when you're in that, your next step is gonna be, you're turning, you're keeping your body forward, but then you're turning your legs to be like this.
Yeah.
So that's why like you have to whip that leg around because it's propelling you to do up. Like that. You get it?
I was trying to do it like a complete 360.
That's like
From a
2
gangster
steps.
down to like a...
Yeah, so you gotta be a little bit gangster and then throw it up with the ballerina.
Woo. Yeah. 2 step hit and cowboy boogie.
Ooh.
So we hit cowboy hit, cowboy boogie. So you don't really go around. You don't really go around. But like hit, 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 hit.
Okay. Hit.
Yeah.
Right. I'm gonna do my voice. Not because I'm talking loud, but because I'm drunk. Not because I'm drunk, but because I'm talking loud.
I know.
I wanted to do what the kids are doing these days.
We're doing it different now?
And no, when we hit bogey with our foot to the camera and our body as straight as possible,
Yeah, kind of trying to keep it
we
right.
decided that we're going to dab.
Yeah.
Because the dab never gets old. Let me just stop you right in there, children.
Okay.
The dab is not over It's just beginning.
Alright.
Yeah, that's where the arms go.
But
Yeah.
this one. Yeah.
How about this way?
Yeah. Two-step hit and cowboy boogie.
No, you're not even moving your legs.
My baby.
My baby.
Two-step hit and cowboy boogie.
You're going to take your right leg out.
I did it. Two-step hit, cowboy boogie.
You're not kicking your legs
Oh.
forward.
Two-step hit, cowboy boogie.
Yes, but Caitlin. Shoot on.
This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with 'em. Do the whole down. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with 'em. Do the whole down and get into it.
So wait, so it's like
Yeah,
this.
Yeah.
This.
part's nothing.
Like what the fuck? They just
Okay,
go
look.
in and out.
Okay, practice doing this.
But like you got like
Practice
this,
doing this, look.
this.
That's about it. I don't remember to do that. Go web, fly. I'll put the wing web. Shazam!
And boom.
I can't. I'm losing my voice, but the V part is a really hard part.
Let's get the first three steps. Yeah.
You're doing it.
Yeah, you did it. Yeah.
Nailed it.
So we just gotta do the two-step and cowboy boogie.
Yeah. Two-step, and cowboy dab.
Yeah.
Dab it. Dab it. Dab it. Oh, dab it.
Hit and cowboy boogie.
Write it down.
I know, but like. Dude, it fell on the pillow. How
Oh my God, thank God. The glass lamp fell on the pillow.
See, this is why I don't dance.
That's a really heavy table. Like, that's real wood.
Oh my God, look what I did to the partition.
Those dishes are mine.
Anyways.
Round and round you go. It's time to show out right now and take to the floor. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with 'em. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Gonna throw down, take a sip with it and lean back with your hips in it. Take it down now, take it down now, take it down now, take it down now. Bring it up now, bring it up now, bring it up now, bring it up now. Take it down and Chris first. Bring it up now, Chris first. Gonna do the two-step. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with 'em. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Gonna throw down, take a sip with it and lean back with your hips in it.
How would you feel if we told you you were halfway to the trampoline?
Oh, shoot.
It's only been like 20 minutes.
I know,
Our
I
YouTube's
know.
gonna be a fail.
But my mom's calling. So.
She's a liar.
She's a liar and a whore. There you go.
And then this, and then
Yes! You did it!
Am I in this
This way.
video?
so the
You bitches.
down.
Yeah.
These bitches are conspiring against me. Okay, after the dab,
Two
it's
taps.
like boom, boom.
Literally right here.
And you sweetheart and spin out with land again. Here, dump, land, sweetheart, spin, and land.
And then you're gonna do this. 1, 2, hit, 3, 4.
Caitlin does this thing where she walks 2, 3, 4, but I just stand here and I do my signature dance move.
Yeah, and I'm gonna hit 1, 2, 3, 4. What you want?
Dun, 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 dun.
Perfect.
All right, so from the top. Ready?
5, 6, 7, 8. We hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We hit 1 and 2, 3, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we hit 1.
You're going the wrong way.
Like that.
Can somebody please fix the lampshade before I get in trouble with Allie?
We hit 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. We hit 1, and 2, and 3, and 4.
Do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with it. Do the hold down and get it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't hold down, take a sip with it. And lean back with your head. Sing it. It's simple, you can do it.
That was horrible, but that's the best I'm ever gonna get.
That was good.
You know what I've learned about
Oh gosh, bye.
What? Dab the other way.
When in doubt, just dab it out. When in doubt, dab it out.
Dab it out.
When in doubt, dab it out.
Hope you guys learned something from this video. Later, skaters.
Why does everybody have to slap the actual camera?
Bye, later,
You know what I do?
skaters.
I just like slightly go up and
Oh.
cup it and then let go.
Hope you learned from something from this YouTube video. Later, skaters. Later, skaters of the night.
Fuck you.